5 hot products on dropshipping. And this video is going to tell you. Hello, everyone, this is SourcinBox. Top 1. Magnetic Eyelash Kit. Google hot word searches have been on a steady rise. It has also been highly popular in TikTok. Many people in the comment section asked for the same model and wanted to buy it. Appearance design is fashionable and simple. Easy to carry and use operation. Why so many people prefer to use magnetic lashes? Reusable and more cost-effective. There is no glue. It is safer. Portable, comfortable to use after wearing. Top 2 is the portable stroller fan, especially popular with moms. Amazon's top 100 bestsellers rank in the baby category, and the item accounts for 3. Many people in TikTok were attracted and wanted links to buy it. Unique design can be applied to many occasions to meet the needs of different. Here are 3 reasons why it's especially popular with moms. Baby-friendly. Can be rotated 360 degrees. Portable and rechargeable. Top 3 is a new type of diaper hanging pad. Best baby shower gift for new moms and dads. Which is an indispensable tool for families with newborns. It is an item that can be sold for a long time. Easy to carry. Plenty of space for storing baby items. Comfortable cushioning to protect baby. Top 4 is the travel bag. You should also in TikTok swipe this item. Millions of views attracting everyone who wants to go out to travel, regardless of age and gender. Its heat is too high. Its travel season and demand is high. The product is also perfect for back-to-school supplies. High value and capacity. Charging support and full functionality. Don't miss the win to sell. Top 5 is kids tool sets for baby. Highly recommend source this item for your dropshipping business. Since the potential profits of children's toys has always been great. This type of product is on Amazon's top buy list, but this product is less expensive. Portable. Intellectual toys. Mini workbench. So enjoyable for the kids.